What's up, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a nice 2016 Harley Davidson Street Glide with me today. It's got the vivid black paint, 103-inch fuel-injected V-twin, a 6-speed transmission. All the chrome looks nice and shiny. You got your engine guard up front. If you want to add some highway pegs, we could probably hook you up. Got a full parts and service department. This one's got the one-touch saddlebag latches. It's got a few little rub marks on this saddlebag lid. Can't really see it till you get up on it. It's got a small little nick in the paint on the rear fender. Overall, it's a really nice bike. It's got under 10,000 miles. Runs great. Got the 19-inch agitator wheel on the front. This one's got the oil cooler, helps it run just a little bit cooler. Looks like you got a fairly new Dunlop on the front. About a medium length windscreen, pretty decent wind protection. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, so we do a multi-point inspection, test ride it, make sure everything's working correctly. Then we give it a professional detail. It's got the heel toe shifter, cruise control. Got the USB hookup in this little pouch. Another thing, they started on the 14 and up touring bikes. They put a vent in the fairing. It's also got some Vance & Hines slip-on pipes, sound real good. Good tire on the rear, and it had one other small mark on the side panel here. Real minor stuff. It's got 9,604 miles. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll-free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.